Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to learn how can we install Redis in Mac operating system. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly open any search engine. So I have already opened Google operating search engine. So let's search install Redis. Okay, so you'll get doc to install Redis in Mac. Okay, so click on this. So click on this, install open source on Mac. So you'll get option how can you install Redis in Mac operating system. Okay, so with the help of install Redis open source on Mac OS. So how can we install? So we install using homebrew. We can install with the help of the homebrew. So these are the commands we can install. Homebrew install. Okay, and we can set the path. We can start the Redis server. Okay, and we can check it is running or not. And you can also uninstall if you want to uninstall. Okay, so these are the command. So let's so I have already made one documentation. Okay, so that we will follow this and we'll try to install Redis server. Okay, so these are the command. So firstly we have to install homebrew. Okay, so let's open terminal, click on this, and then let's drag it. So this is the command by which we can install homebrew. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, and then paste here and click on enter. So like this will be able here we have to provide the password of your laptop. Okay, so return enter to continue or any other key to avoid. Okay, so click on enter. So now it is getting started. So it will take some time to install homebrew in your Mac operating system. Okay, so once it will be done, so we have to set the path of homebrew. Okay, yeah, it will take some time to install. Let's wait for 30 seconds. So it's downloading the homebrew. So it got installed. Okay, installation successful. So let's check it got installed or not. So copy this command and paste here, brew version. Okay, command not found. Okay, why it is not found, why it is not finding? Because we haven't set the path. It is not available in path, so we have to set the path. So this is the command to set the path. So let's copy this command and we can paste and we can set the path. Okay, so this is the command I have already written. So this time we have already set the path of homebrew. So how can we check now it got installed or not, homebrew got installed or not? This is the command brew hyphen version. Okay, so this is the homebrew version 4.5.7. okay, so now we have installed the homebrew. So now we are going to install the Redis server. So this is the command to install Redis server with the help of brew. So copy this command and then paste this command and then click enter. So your Redis is getting installed. So once it will be installed, then you will check it is installed or not. Okay, so it will also take 20 to 30 seconds. Let's wait for some time depending upon internet speed. So it got installed. Okay, your Redis server is got installed. Start Redis now and start at login. Okay, so how can you check it is installed or not? So let's click version of Redis. Okay, Redis CLI version. So this is the command. Copy this command and paste this command. Okay, so we are getting Redis CLI 8.0.2. That means that we have already installed Redis. Okay, so it's working fine. So now we are going to install the Redis server, start Redis server in our operating system, our system. So let's copy this command. This is the command Redis server to start Redis server, or we can use this one also. Breeze service start Redis. Okay, so it will start in background. So both the command you can use. So I'm going to use Redis server, copy this command, Control C, and then paste here Redis server, and then click enter. So our Redis server got started. This is the port number by default 6379, and this is the process ID 13447. So we have started in this terminal. So now we are going to open another terminal to perform our Redis operation. Okay, so let's click on terminal, command, click on control and then enter, then new window, and go to new window. This is our new terminal. Okay, so drag this, and we are going to perform open Redis. Okay, so how can we open? So let's open. Firstly check Redis version here, are we able to check or not. Okay, so let's paste here. So it's working here. Okay, no issue. Then what we can do here, so we are going to perform Redis operation like get set. Okay, so firstly we will check Redis is connected here or not. So this is the command ping. Okay, Redis CLI ping, that means the if Redis is working here, you will get the pong. Okay, and now we are going to run connect to CLI, Redis CLI. So this is the command Redis CLI. So copy this command and you can paste, or you can write by yourself CLI, Redis CLI, and then enter. Okay, so now we are getting here 127.0.0.1 and 637, and so this is the default port number of your Redis 6379. So this is running on the Redis is running on this port number. So that means that if you are getting this, that means that you are connected to Redis CLI. So now you can perform your Redis operation like get and set. So now we are going to set some key and value, name Saurabh. Okay, press enter. Okay, let's get the value, get name. So we are getting Saurabh, that means that we are able to get and set. So let's set another thing, add Delhi, and get add Delhi. Sorry, get add. Okay, so we are getting Delhi. So that means the this is the save to save the all the files that we have set. So that means that we are able to install Redis server with the help of the brew, and we have able to perform the set and get. So this is the way by which we can install Redis in Mac operating system. There are different way you can go, but this is the easiest way to install. Okay, you can install by Docker also. You can download the Redis tar file, and you can unzip and you can set the path. So that is the other way. So I think this is the easiest way to install Redis in Mac operating system. I hope you understood all the point. If there is any doubt, please let me know in comment section. So thanks for watching. Bye everyone. If you are loving my effort, please like, share and subscribe.